Hi, I am Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to this latest edition of Fast Profits Daily. A lot of times I get this question from investors and our readers, and this question is common across everyone that what is the time frame that one should use while trading? A lot of times I've been on the Equitymaster Conference, and there I've met a lot of investors who are just starting to trade. So after knowing the basic stuff of charting, they get stuck with this question that what should be the ideal time frame for trading. So today's video will be all about that. So now, when you are trading, there are a couple of things that you must know beforehand, before you choose your time frame to check out the charts. So, what are the things on which your time frame will depend upon? So, first thing is the kind of trading you want to do. So whether you are a long-term investor, whether you are a swing trader, or whether you are an intraday trader, your time frames will differ. So what is the time that, and depending on what kind of trader you are, your holding period will also differ. So apart from that, the percentage returns that you are expecting from your trading. So these are the two three things on which the kind of time frame you will depend upon. So let's assume that you are a swing trader and you want to identify your perfect time frame for trading. So how should you go about checking your charts? So as a swing trader, the holding period would vary anywhere between 3 to 20 days, and the percentage returns that as a swing trader what you would expect would be anywhere between 6 to 20%. Now the question is about the time frame. Where should you start with while looking at charts? So the obvious answer is uh, it would be a daily time frame. You should check out the charts or the trends based on the daily time frame. Now I call this as your chart of choice. The daily chart will be your chart of choice. Now, when you are looking at the daily chart, you must check for stocks which are in momentum. And if you want to buy stocks which are in momentum, then you can scan the charts and see which stocks are uh, in the gainers list for the last 10 to 20 days. If you are a member of the Telegram channel of Equity Master, then you would have noticed that I post regularly my what I call the T20 list, where I share stocks which are in momentum and stocks which are breaking out along with the volume gainers. So this list would help you identify such kind of stocks. So now when you want to, let's say you want to identify a stock which is moving up and it's in momentum. So you have shortlisted your list of stocks. Now, uh, when you go through its daily time frame and you are convinced that the stock is ready to move higher and you must buy it, the first thing that you must do is just hold on to your buying. You must and definitely look at the stock's weekly chart, and you must confirm whether the whatever the outlook that you are seeing for the chart on the daily time frame is also valid or is also confirming on the weekly time frame. So you must confirm the trend or the momentum of the stock first on the daily and then on the weekly time frame. Once you are convinced that it's okay, the stock is confirming an uptrend on both these time frames, you must then go to a lower time frame. So you have gone from daily to weekly, and from weekly you must go to a intraday time frame. Now the purpose of going on an intraday time frame is that you should check the levels or the best points for entries and exits. So when you look at an intraday chart, you can look for 60-minute candle, or a 30-minute or 15-minute, it could be anything, but you must go on a lower degree time frame and see where could be the best possible entry points so that you get the maximum out of your stock. So this is how you should go about picking time frames for your swing trades. You must first start with the daily time frame, then go and confirm your view on the weekly time frame as well. And if it confirms, then you must switch to a lower degree time frame, that is an intraday time frame, and look for the best possible entries as well as exit. This works in the exit in the opposite case as well. If you want to, you have already held on to a stock, and if you want to exit from the stock, then an intraday time frame would give you a clear picture of where could be the best point to exit from the stock. So that's how one could go about identifying the time frame, the best time frame to do your trading. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and in case you did, then please like it, share it with your friends and family, and help them become better traders too. Also, as I told you earlier, Equitymaster has a Telegram channel as well, where I post regularly our T20 list, which will help you identify stocks for buying. I post this list regularly, so you can make the full use of it by joining the Equitymaster Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do watch out for next week's video as well. There will be a lot of interesting stuff coming from us regularly, so don't miss out. Thank you.
Also, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.